Pregnancy should be a time of joy and not anxiety for the woman and her family. Do you want to learn more about pregnancy or have questions about fertility and reproductive health? Then join Dr. Linda Vanutu on Facebook and YouTube every Saturday at 4 p.m. on the online pregnancy school as she discusses pregnancy, delivery, and childcare with us.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, you are most welcome to the online pregnancy school. If today is the first day you have joined us, this is the online pregnancy school. I invite you to subscribe to our channel and also follow us on Facebook, The Pregnancy School. On YouTube, look for me, Dr. Linda Vanutu. The online pregnancy school is where we come your way with education about pregnancy, about delivery, about childcare, and how for those who are looking for pregnancy, by God's grace, they can become pregnant. So I invite you to share this with friends and family and let them join us. Dear viewers, today I'm going to discuss with you another aspect of what we do. I'm sure for those of you who have joined us, and we are very grateful to you for following us, for sending us comments and also asking us questions. We hope that we have been able to address some of your questions, if not all, and we have been of benefit to you. That's why I invite you to share this with friends and family and invite them to also subscribe to our YouTube channel, Dr. Linda Vanutu. Well, today I want to share with you some of the things we do because there are a lot of people who have reached out to us from far and near wanting to know more and also to have other services which we provide. If you are pregnant and you are looking for a place where you can have discussion, you can ask questions about your pregnancy, you can ask about things that you are not sure of, then this is the place for you. You know, apart from the online sessions that we do, we also have services which we provide for pregnant women. And these are one-on-one sessions as well as group sessions. What are the benefits? One of them is that you have opportunity to have one-on-one discussion with a healthcare provider if you are pregnant. You have an opportunity to ask questions that have been bothering your mind, which you haven't had the chance to ask anybody about. So maybe you went for the antenatal, you were told certain things, you were not able to ask questions, or you asked some questions but you still have more. Then you can sign on to our classes and have individual conversations or join group conversations. The other benefit to you is that you have myths, misconceptions, you have certain things that may be bothering your mind and you would like to have somebody to talk to. This is the place for you. So you can sign up and we have these opportunities open to you. The other benefit to you is that we link you up. If it happens that you are pregnant, you need special care, you need somebody to attend to you for another reason, then we can do that for you. The other thing we can do for you, which is of benefit to you, is that we have counselors who can speak to you. You know, there are questions that we may have which would not be easy to discuss with people, even though we may be attending the antenatal clinic. So we have a place for you where we can have this confidentiality. Maybe it is something that is confidential to you, which you would want to share with someone. That is also an opportunity for you, which you can take advantage of. Then we have other things where we can talk to you about diet, about exercises, about sleep, about different things that will help you to enjoy a good pregnancy. The sessions that I've been bringing you on the online pregnancy school are open. They can be shared. You can go through the videos. You can have questions, which we have answered a lot of questions from different people. But what I'm talking about now is what others have reached out, which we already have in place, where we offer such services. But those ones are ones that you have to sign up for, and the ones that we give you the service, and of course we charge a little amount for that. So it is something that is available to you. We have had people who have reached out to us. They are pregnant, they have issues that they want to discuss into detail, and those services are made available to them. So if you are out there watching us and you are part of that group that is looking for more in-depth discussion, one-on-one, somebody that you can call, somebody that you can talk to, then this is an invitation to you. The other thing that we do is that we make available to you other resources based on your questions, based on what your needs are. We have resources that are made available to you, which will help you to answer the questions that you have and also go through your pregnancy successfully. We know that it is not possible for everybody to go for the antenatal and have her question the answered the way that probably they would be looking for, because there are so many people, and you cannot blame the health worker at all, because if you go to an antenatal service in Ghana or anywhere else, you find so many people, and as an individual you will even not want to, in quotes, delay another person's chance. So you may not have that opportunity of asking all the questions that you have. So you may be looking for another opportunity to ask questions, and this is open to you. So we have classes that we run on different topics that are beneficial to the pregnant woman, and even for those who are not yet pregnant, or for husbands and other people who want to know more about pregnancy. So those services are available to you. So that is one of the things we do. The other thing we do is we offer management for pregnancy. So those who are married, who are looking for children, sometimes it can be very challenging, because you may be moving from one place to the other. You don't know what to do. We offer such fertility services. So if you are married, you have been trying to be pregnant, and you have not yet been pregnant, it is by God's grace that we have children. But God uses people to offer such services. So we have those services also available. So if you are a couple looking for children or trying to be pregnant, this is an opportunity for you to get in touch with us. We register you, we take history, we look at what you have gone through in the past, what are some of the services that have been offered to you, and then we link up with others so that we can give you a holistic kind of treatment or management. So that is something that we offer for people who, a lot of people have reached out to us. They have asked a lot of questions, and we encourage you, even if you have reached out to us, you have asked one or two questions which we have answered, we encourage you to register. Register with us, because if you do that, then we can give that holistic kind of treatment. We can follow you up. If there's the need to bring some other specialists, other doctors on board, we do that, so that we offer you that holistic kind of treatment. So please have patience that it doesn't take just one consultation. So if you have been going to one clinic and you think that I've been there just once and I'm not becoming pregnant, so I'm moving out, it doesn't work like that. Have patience wherever you are receiving treatment from. Do what the doctors want you to do. Go through the lab tests and everything else that they want you to do. And of course, be praying, because it is by grace, by God's grace, that all these things happen. But we invite those who haven't yet started anywhere, who on their own have been trying and they have not been able to get to the bottom of whatever the problem is, to register with us and join us so that we can take you through proper history, take you through the diagnosis, and help by God's grace to find what the problem is and what can be done to address that. Well, so that is another service that we offer. Another thing that we do, that one is beyond the pregnancy. So now we take care of children. We take care because you may have a child, you don't even know at what stage this child should be speaking, at what stage or age the child should be doing A or B. We offer child health services. So that is another avenue for you to join us. Get in touch with us, register with us, and let us take you through some of these things. It's not everything that you may understand, but if there's any question that you have which has bothered you for some time, you are looking for where to take that question to, then this is an invitation for you to join us. Ladies and gentlemen, if you have just joined us, this is the online pregnancy school. And today I'm sharing with you some of the other services that we provide. Of course, those ones we would like to register the people because we want to give you that holistic kind of care. And so with that, there is a fee that you pay, not so much that you pay, and then we can take you through. We have received a lot of questions, a lot of comments about people wanting to benefit from some of the other services that we provide, and that's why today we are sharing with you some of the other things that we do. Now, another thing that we offer is counseling and mental health care. You see, there are so many people who have challenges. They are bothered by a lot of things, but sometimes they are not sure where to go, what to do, because it may not be so easy for you to just walk into a hospital and say that I think I have a mental health problem. No, it may not be easy, but we offer such services. So if you are looking for counseling, if you are looking for anything that is worrying you, that you want somebody to talk to about, then this is the place for you. Why should you come to us? You should come to us because we have the people who have been trained to take care of such issues. We make sure we maintain confidentiality, and then we also take you through the full process and make you be part of your care. We don't just offer you something to go home and take. No, we make you part of the care so that we all see the progress that we make with the care that we give. So you started this way. As we go along, you see that you would have benefited from coming to see us because there's an improvement that is obvious for you and also for those who are around you. And you feel better, you feel happier, you're able to go about your duties better than before you came to us. So that is another thing that we do, which we are inviting you to get in touch with us if you need such services. Another thing that we do with this is for the family as a whole. So we offer adolescent health care. We know that it is not so easy taking care of our children as they grow. Sometimes even the way to talk to them, the way they feel about themselves, what are they supposed to do? Some of them are not sure of the courses that they want to do in the university. In the meantime, the parents want them to do one thing or the other, which they may not be interested in. And that can create a lot of problems for them. We can even have young people who are down with depression. How do I handle this as a parent or as a caregiver? This may be beyond you because there are principles that are used in such cases. there is a way to talk to a child who is going through a particular need. There's a way to address the needs of these children. And these are some of the other services that we offer. So if you are at home, you have a young person with you who is troubled, who is unhappy, who doesn't know what to do, and you as a parent are also becoming frustrated because it's as if your child is not listening to you or taking your advice. We are not trying to take away the role of the parent, but we are just offering services to supplement what the parent or caregiver is doing, and together help this young person to go through that stage. So we invite you to join us, register with us if this is you that I am talking to. And if you're also a young person, maybe you are living on your own, you are not so young that you are staying with your parents, but you are living on your own, or even if you are an adult, you may be as old as any age, and you have issues to do with low self-esteem, depression, anxiety, fear, unsure of what to do because of whatever you are going through, this is also an invitation to you to register with us and go through our sessions on the psychosocial support, on counseling, on all the other things that we do to help you to get your mental state in the shape that you need for you to be able to do your work and do it well. I hope you get that. Yes, the other thing that we also do for the family is about elderly care. Our parents, our grandparents are growing. Every day, ourselves, we are also growing. It gets to a stage that sometimes it becomes so difficult to handle an elderly person because they may say things that you wonder. They may have forgotten certain things, and therefore, even if they were given food just a few minutes ago, they'll say the whole day I haven't eaten. Or that nobody is caring for me. So many things that can happen with the care of the elderly. And also because it is at this stage that some of them have medical conditions that need care. So if you are in a family like that, you have an elderly person with you, and you are looking for what to do, get in touch with us. We'll register, we'll offer care, and of course, this will also be at a little fee. It is not much that you cannot pay because we want to offer services to as many people as possible. You know, health should be good for us. And once we have good health, we'll also enjoy our lives. But it should not be such that people cannot afford. And that is why we are not doing this for such huge amount that you will not be able to pay. But you'll be happy with the services that we offer you. So ladies and gentlemen, there are other services that we provide. If you want to plan for your delivery and you want to know what to do, you need a package. We have those packages available. What do I take to the hospital? How do I put them all together? What else do I need to do? We have all those packages available. And also any other thing to do with your health that you are looking for, the people who can offer that care, get in touch with us. We'll be able to link you up to specialist care. We'll be able to link you up to any other services that you need. That will be beneficial to you, that will help you to address the health need that you have. So I'm inviting you to take advantage of all these services that we provide as you continue to watch the online pregnancy school. The online pregnancy school has gone very far. We have received messages and questions from different countries. And that is what we want to happen. That as many people as possible will support pregnant women, will know what to do when they are pregnant, so that pregnancy does not become a time of fear and anxiety, but of joy. And so, if you came your way today, it was just to let you know some of the services that we provide, because of the many questions that we have had, that people wanted to know how they can benefit from the services that we provide in total. So these are the areas. Remember, we take care of pregnant women, we take care of children, we take care of the adolescent, the elderly, and we also take care of men. We have specific packages for men. You know that we don't have a lot of these, so we have packages that we provide for males alone. So this is the male health that we provide. So if you're a male, you have any issue you want to talk to us about, please send me a message, +233 59 242 0625, and we'll get back to you so that we know exactly what you are looking for, what the issues are, and we address those issues for you. For the men who have sent us messages and questions, we are very grateful, and we hope that by God's grace we'll be able to go through successfully with you, so you become happier. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you have enjoyed today's session, where I brought you the packages that we offer beyond the online pregnancy school. And I have this message for you. Pregnancy grows from day to day, and it is important to know what is happening and what you can do. So I've put all this together in a nice magazine which I call Promise from the Womb, and thankfully it is now on Amazon. So just go there, click it, and buy yourself a copy. Buy one for a friend, buy one for your sister, buy one for that lady who is pregnant. Let these women know how the baby is growing inside them, some of the tips that they can use to ensure that the pregnancy progresses successfully and they have a good outcome. So look for that book. We'll put the link down there, Promise from the Womb by Dr. Linda Amakai Vanutu. And if you are there, you have any question about anything to do with fertility, pregnancy, child care, adolescent, any question that you have, also send me a message, +233 59 242 0625. See you in my next video. Bye.
Pregnancy should be a time of joy and not anxiety for the woman and her family. Do you want to learn more about pregnancy or have questions about fertility and reproductive health? Then join Dr. Linda Vanutu on Facebook and YouTube every Saturday at 4 p.m. on the online pregnancy school as she discusses pregnancy, delivery, and childcare with experts.